A for rat, so tiny and small. B for bear, who is big and tall. C for cat, who likes to play. D for dog, who barks all day. E for elephant, strong and grand. F for frog, who jumps on land. G for goat, with horns so wide. H for horse, let's take a ride. I for iguana, green and bright. J for jellyfish, swimming light. K for kangaroo, hop, hop, hop. L for lion, with a roar that won't stop. M for monkey, swinging trees. N for newt, who swims with ease. O for owl, who hoots at night. P for penguin, dressed in white. Q for quail, who runs so fast. R for rabbit, hopping past. S for snake, who slithers low. T for tiger, watch and go. U for unicorn, shiny and bright. V for vulture, soaring in flight. W for whale, who swims in the sea. X for x-ray fish, come sing with me. Y for yak, with hair so long. Z for zebra, stripes so strong.